here we're gonna have a look at their minibuses at the Windsor Locks yard in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. So these are Bluebird Microbird's G5s. And I don't think they have the door to where it's like that. So I'd have to go to the other side like this. Open it up like so. There it is. The inside smells very nice. I don't know the year of the minibuses. So they have V146. Here's 918, V151, and V139. So this is the oldest, I'm assuming. Here we have a little look inside this one. Has that many miles? No child checkmate. It's in the back. Oh, I'm very shaky. Okay, let's go back here. They got brown seats. Very nice. And then little compartment over here for activities. You know, you can just stand up. Also, these buses do have a little lift there, but since you know they don't want raccoons getting on here, and probably kids like me, but I'm not here to do any damage, so. Also comes through the speakers, just like LT1 64 shows. So he touches the most. Diesel? Hold on. What year is this? Oh, I forgot they only have 2019. I forgot they only have 2019 CEs here. But yeah, these are the minibuses here. I don't know the year. I probably would said on the plate if I was looking hard enough, which I was not. So I couldn't tell you. But there you go. Thanks for watching.